Welcome back everyone. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you some cool 3D illustrations of people. Nowadays it's really trending to use some 3D illustrations on your UI designs to give it a cool look. So here is a cool list of 3D illustrations pack that I put together. Few of these are completely free to use and a few of them have a free version to use it on your personal projects. So without any further ado, let's get started. So starting off with the first one, and this is Sally. It's a cool 3D illustration pack, and as you can see in the thumbnail, these are different people doing different actions. And if I go to the readme section here, basically it's allowed for commercial and non-commercial, so that's really good. Kudos to the 3D artist here. Coming to the library itself here, you can see that these are really cool 3D humans doing different actions. So you have one on the rocket and one on the scooter and then one on the cycle. So these are really cool illustrations that you can add to your projects and make them really look cool. So this is the first one. You can just duplicate it and use it in your projects. So the next one here is characters, and this is a huge 3D library of humans in different actions. So as you can see here, these are clay looking like human images, and you have even illustrations with differently abled people. So this is a cool pack. You can get the sample for free, and if you like it, you can buy the whole pack. So you can just download the free pack here. Moving on to the next one, this is humans, and this is also a human illustration pack with different actions of humans. So as you can see here, it has different poses in different actions, and you have superpower humans, so that's really cool. And you can get it in different colors, so these are the different colors. But coming to the usage policy, if I go down, you can see that you have just a demo pack with one human and one pose and 4 unique outfits. And if you like it, you can go for the full pack, which has really a huge collection of 92 humans and 20 different poses and all. So this is also a cool pack that I liked, so I wanted to share it. Now moving on to the next one, it is basically avatars, or you can use it on your profile pics if you're making some social media app or Instagram clone or something. So these are really cool images that you can use. So these are 3D looking humans that you can get it. So this is completely free to use, and if you just want 1 or 2 images to use it in your profile or your demo, you can just come here and download it. So just click on the PNG, and as you can see, you can get the PNG and you can put your own background and all stuff. So if you just want 1 or 2 images, you can just go ahead and download it here. But if you want the whole pack, you can just go for the get library. So that is one more pack which is called as Power People Platform. So moving on to the next one, which is called as avatars. So this is also a cool 3D library pack, and as you can see, you have people of different age groups and different professions from different ethnicities and all that stuff. So this is also a cool pack that you can check out. So they have their free tier that you can use, which has 10 rendered avatars. So if you're just working on a small personal project, you can go ahead and use it. And if you want the full pack, you can just buy it. So that's also a cool pack to use in your projects. Now moving on to the next one, this is avatars also, but this is memojis. So this is completely free to use, and they come in Sketch, XD and Figma format. So as you can see, these are different avatars which you can use it on your profile pic. So you can use it like this. So they have just shown a demo also. So if you put it as a profile pic for different social media apps and anything, it'll really look cool. So this is also a cool pack that you can use. So this is completely free and you can just download it. Now moving on to the next one, this is hands. So using hands also in your project really makes it look very expressive and all. So these are different hands that you can get. So they have a free version which basically has 12 hand gestures and 9 skin colors and all that stuff. So if you like this, you can just go and buy the premium pack, and they have the free version, as I told you, which basically has 320 combinations. So that's really a lot. So make sure you check out this pack also, and they're available in different formats. So that's a really cool part about this. And now moving on to the next one, which is also hands. So this is called as 3D design. So this is also completely free. You can check out here. It is from this artist 3D, so they call themselves as 3D. Anyways, moving on to the basic screen here. So these are the basic hand gestures that they're providing, and then they also have some super premium, which basically has some 3D objects also in the hand. So this is also a cool 3D pack that you can use in your projects. And finally, here we are on an official website. So I'll be mentioning all these links in the description below, but if you want to keep a track of all the updates, you can just check our official website, where I'll be mentioning all the links and everything. So as you can see here, I have all the illustration mentioned. So if you want to filter it by 3D, you can just click on the 3D option here, and we have all the 3D options that I've shared here. I'll also be making a video on 3D objects. So this was completely about humans. So in the next upcoming video, I'll be sharing some cool resources where you can get 3D objects for free. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found it informative and helpful. Thanks for watching.